Parts of human body in Japanese. This is what we are going to study and learn in today's lesson. Konnichiwa minasan. Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japani YouTube channel. This is a place where we discuss about Japan, the Japanese language and the Japanese culture. This is the series of Japanese lessons for beginners and today is lesson 76 of this series. Today's topic, Parts of Human Body, Part 1. Friends, if you have been watching videos of this channel for some time now, but not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please subscribe Saral Japani and learn about Japan and Japanese. The URL is pretty simple, youtube.com/at Saral Japani. That is SARALJAPANI. For the videos of all the previous 75 lessons posted so far and this current video 76, do visit the playlists section of this YouTube channel and click on this playlist, Japanese Lessons for Beginners. And under this playlist, you will find all these 76 lessons all together at one place. So let's begin today's lesson. Japanese lesson 76, Parts of Human Body, Part 1. Friends, today we are going to look at different parts of the human body as they are called in Japanese. And we have taken the reference of a male body because we have realized that the female body parts are more or less the subset of the male body parts. That means male body has more parts than female body, except for the reproductive or the private parts, which are different for male and female. Otherwise, in generic sense, if we discuss the parts of the male body, then the female body is also gets covered under that. And that's why we have taken the reference of the male body. And in case specific information about female body parts will be required, we will take a look at that as well. So what do we call body in Japanese? The most simple version or this most simple word for body is karada. Karada. This is karada and this is the kanji of karada. So you can say this is the human and this is the kanji of root, that is the human plus roots. And so this together it gives the meaning of body. Now this is the most common and also the informal version of this word. The more formal or more polite form is shintai. So here you can see this is the karada, which is also called tai in onyomi. So tai is this last part and this is shin. Shintai is also for body, but this is a more formal and for example, when the doctors write prescriptions or they have to refer to the human body, then they use shintai and not karada. So karada is a very general word for any kind of body. But these both of them can be used, karada and shintai. Friends, regarding kanji, you need not give too much attention here. Is this just for the sake of representation that we have listed down the kanjis for some of these body related parts? But whichever kanjis we have covered already in this series, I will mention those during as in when we progress in this video. Next is body part. So body is karada, body part is karada no bui. Karada no bui, bui is the is part. So karada no bui means karada's part. That is karada's bui. That is body part. The body's part. Karada no bui. So this is the particle that you already know, no particle, which gives meaning of belongingness or possessiveness. So karada no bui means karada's bui. That is body's part or body part. Then we have the upper body. The upper body part is called Johanshin. Johanshin. The lower body part is called Kahanshin. So if we uh, want to refer to the upper body part of someone, we will say Johanshin, and the lower body part from the waistline till the toe, it is Kahanshin. Then we have the torso. So torso is basically that part of the human body, or in fact any animal's body, that is without the head, the limbs without the head and the limbs, that is from neck till the waistline, is the part called torso. So as indicated here in this diagram, so this part of the body is torso. So this is the head, the four limbs, and this is the torso. So this is called do tai. So the informal version is do, only the first part of the kanji, and tai refers to the body. So this is a more polite or formal version. Do tai. Do and also do tai. Both can be used for torso. And the limb. So the limb may be the arm or the leg. So in this is a generic word for any arm or any leg or both taken together. So that is a limb and it is called shishi. Shishi in Japanese is the limb. So let's recap one more time. Body, karada, shintai. Body part, karada no bui. Upper body, johanshin. Lower body, kahanshin. Torso, dotai. Limb, shishi. Let's move forward. Face, kao. Head, atama. Forehead, hitai. Hair, kami. Eye, me. Eyebrow, mayu. Eyelid, mabuta. Eyelash, matsuge. So let's repeat one more time. Face, kao. Head, atama. Forehead, hitai. Hair, kami. Eye, me. Eyebrow, mayu. Eyelid, mabuta. Eyelash, matsuge. So here you will see, you will come across the part ge in most of the words in which it has something to do with hairs or hairy stuff. So since this is eyelash, which is nothing but the hairs on the eyelid, so that is called matsuge. So matsuge is the eyelash and ge is used for representing hair. So you will find more such words as we go ahead in this video. So the I is called may, and when it is combined with some other part to give some additional meaning related to the I, then may becomes ma. That's the reason why I is may and eyebrow is ma yu. Eyelid is ma buta. Eyelash is ma tsuge. So this is the relation that for all these words are starting with ma, which represents I. And this is kanji we have already covered in this course, so you should be familiar of this. We have already covered the kanji of I in our previous lessons. So this is about the face and the some of the items that we see on the human face. Let's move ahead. Ear, mimi. Nose, hana. Nostrils, hana no ana. So again, hana is the nose and ana means the holes. So nose, the holes of the nose, hana no ana. No is the particle here. Hana no ana means the holes of the nose, which is nostril. Cheek, ho. Cheek is this part. Mouth, kuchi, kuchi. Lips, kuchibiru, kuchibiru. So you have to, although it's for the beginners, it's not that very important for the correct intonation, but when you say kuchi or kuchibiru, then we have to give less emphasis on the ku sound. Kuchi and kuchibiru, kuchibiru. In that way, you have to say. Then we have the mustache. So mustache, as I had told earlier, hige. So you can see this ge. Again, this is something related to hair. That's why this it will end with ge. So kuchibiru was lips. Mustache is kuchihige. Kuchihige. Kuchihige means the hair on the the hair over the mouth. So that's why kuchi hige. Kuchi is the mouth. So kuchi, mouth is kuchi, lips is kuchibiru, and mustache is kuchi hige. Next is chin. Chin is this portion, chin, which is ago. And it's obvious that beard will be something related to ago. And then it's hige, that is for the hair. So hair on the chin, which is beard. So this is why we have written them together. Chin is ago, beard is hair of the chin, which is ago hige, and similarly mouth is kuchi and mustache is kuchi hige, which is the hair over the mouth, which is mustache. So in this way, all these parts are called in Japanese. So let's recap. Ear, mimi, nose, hana, nostrils, hana no ana, cheek, ho, mouth, kuchi, lips, kuchibiru, mustache, kuchihige, chin, ago, beard, agohige. And these two kanjis we have done, the kanji for ear and the kanji for mouth. These have already been covered in this series, so you should be knowing these two. Let's move ahead. Tongue, shta, shta. It's not shita. No, it's not shita, it's shta, shta. Tongue. Teeth, ha, ha. Neck, kubi, kubi. Kubi means neck. So we will have application of this word kubi in some of the other organs of the body. We will see later in this video. Throat. So friends, what's the difference between neck and throat? So neck is the external portion of this. This part is the neck. From here to here is the neck, both around and all around this uh, organ, its neck, and the throat is the internal organ. Throat is inside the neck, which is the pipe basically internally through which we swallow, or we have the internal organs uh, that connects to the mouth. So that is throat. So neck is kubi and throat is nodo. Nodo is throat. So do remember the difference between neck and throat in general and the two different words, kubi for neck and nodo for throat. Adam's apple. What is Adam's apple? Adam's apple is basically, this is specific, more specific or more related to the male body. There is a, you might have noticed there is a protrusion near the front part of the neck, that something, a small kind of bulge or a hilly portion is there. So that is the male uh, hormonal thing, and which is called Adam's apple. Adam because it's related to male, that's why Adam. Adam's apple is called nodo botoke in Japanese. Nodo botoke, Adam's apple. So I hope you have understood what is Adam's apple. So this portion here, there is a small hilly area here, the protruded area, which is called Adam's apple. Nodo botoke. Then we have nape, which is called unaji, which is the backside of the neck. The backside of the neck is called unaji. Then we have shoulder. Shoulder is this portion. This portion and this portion is the shoulder, which is called kata. Kata. We have arm. So this entire portion from here till here and from here till here, this is the arm, which is called ude. Shoulder is kata, arm is ude. Then we have the armpit. These are the armpits, also called underarms, and it's called waki. Waki, or it is also called waki no shita. Waki no shita. So this shita is different from the one that is used to describe tongue. Armpit hair. So here there is no hair, but this is the armpit hair, which is called wakige. So again the same thing, ge represents hair. So waki is the armpit and waki ge is hair of the armpit, that is armpit hair. Not everyone has this, but whoever is having armpit hair, that will be waki ge. Then we have chest or the breasts. So in Japanese, both chest and for the breasts, it's the same word, mune. Mune is used to represent both chest as well as the two breasts. So this is applicable for both male and female bodies. So even though physically the appearance of breasts is different in male and female, but the word is still the same, mune. So for both chest and breast, it's mune. Heart. So heart is called kokoro. This is although an internal organ, but just like throat, this is heart, kokoro, and this is the kanji. And one thing to notice here is that kokoro word is also used for mind or the spirit. That is, this is not only the physical heart, but also the the feelings arising out of the heart, the mind or the spirit. So this is applicable in other languages as well. I am not sure if your language also has this. So the heart is generally used not only in physical sense but also from the point of soul. So that's why kokoro may be used in different ways. So heart is kokoro. Then we have the nipples. These two nipples, these are called chikubi. Chikubi is the nipple. And again, this is applicable for both male and female. Chest hair. Chest hair, all this hair on the chest is called munage. So just notice here, chest is called mune, and from that mune, muna has been taken here for the chest, and ge, as I mentioned earlier, it is again the hair. So munage is the hair on the chest, which is chikubi. Oh, I'm so sorry. This should be Munage. So this is not written correctly here. So I apologize the mistake. It should be Munage because Mune is chest and Ge is the hair. So chest hair is Munage and nipples is Chikubi. Let's move forward. The belly or the abdomen. So this portion is the belly or the abdomen behind which there is stomach and other digestive organs inside the body. So that is the abdomen or belly, which is called hara. Hara. Then we have the ribs. So this portion, these you can see the demarcation of these ribs, and here also it starts from here. So these are all ribs, which is called wakibara. Wakibara. So the bara is coming from hara. So this is the modified version of hara is bara, and waki is basically, as we had seen, the armpit. So not sure from where this combination has come. So it's the combination of the armpit word waki. Could be it has a different meaning in this sense. So it basically represents the ribs, wakibara. Similarly, lower abdomen is shtabara. Shtabara. The lower abdomen is called shtabara. Then we have the belly button, the hole here or the navel. This is called belly button and is in Japanese it's called heso. Heso. Then we have belly hair, which is fukumo. Fukumo is the belly hair. All this hair appearing here is the fukumo, the belly hair. Navel hair. So this is the hair just inside or just outside or around this navel or the belly button is called hesonoke. Hesonoke is navel hair. So heso is the belly button and K is hair, as I said earlier. So hair of the belly button, hesonoke. Hesonoke. Heso is belly button, K is hair, and no is the particle. So let's repeat one more time. Belly or abdomen, this is hara. Ribs, or this is the upper abdomen, I would say. This portion from the armpits till the navel area. So this is the ribs or the upper abdomen, which is Wakibara, and lower abdomen is called Shtabara. So Shta, you can see this we have already discussed in our kanji lesson. So this is below. So this is below, that's why this is the lower abdomen. So lower abdomen is Shtabara, Shta means lower. And this is the kanji for abdomen as mentioned here. And Wakibara is from Waki means arm, armpit. So from armpit till the abdomen. So Wakibara. Belly button, Heso. Belly hair, Fukumo. Navel hair, Hesonoke. Next we move on to the arm section or the limb section. So elbow. Elbow is this one. This joint is called elbow, which is Hiji. Hiji. Hand, very common. This portion of the arm is the hand, which is called Te. Te. And we have done this kanji in our kanji lesson. Te. Wrist. Te kubi. So wrist is this portion. This small portion is the wrist. And as you can see, Te kubi. So kubi we had earlier discussed that kubi means neck. So te kubi means the neck of the hand. So this is the neck of the hand, which is nothing but the wrist. So from there, this word has come. So if you remember like this, then it will be easier for you to remember these words if you know the logic from where these words have been derived. So this is extremely important. So here you can see the kanji. This is the kanji of hand, te, and this is the kanji of kubi, which is neck. So by combining these two, we have te kubi, which is the neck of the hand or the wrist. Te kubi. Backside of the hand, back of the hand in the sense the upper portion of the hand. So this is the portion which is the upper portion or the back of the hand, and the lower portion of the hand, that is the palm, is called the front side of the hand. So this is the back side, and this is called te no ko. Te is hand, no is the particle, and ko is backside. So that's why it's said like this. There is no single kanji for that. Te no ko. That means backside of the hand. Hand's backside. Hand's backside. Te no ko. Next is palm. Palm is te no hira. So hira means flat. This kanji, this means something flat. So that's why the flat side of the hand is the palm, and that's why it's called te no hira. That means hands flat side. So hira means flat side or flat, something flat. Te no hira means hands flat side, that is palm. Te no hira. Finger. So finger in general it's called UB. So there are different names for the different five fingers. The so we will not go into that detail because that will become difficult. So maybe in a later lesson when we discuss something related to hand or with some other respect, we will study those things. So for today, it's just remember the generic word for finger is UB, UB, finger. And finally, we have nail, which is tsume, 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 nail. So let's repeat one more time. Elbow, hiji, hand, te, wrist, te kubi, hand, back of the hand, te no ko, palm, te no hira, finger, yubi, nail, tsume. So friends, that's all for today. So we have covered the upper part of the human body today. In the next lesson, we will look at the lower part or the lower body, lower human body, in which we will see the lower body organs, including the private parts of male and female body. So hope this video has been useful, and to memorize these words, it is better that you note down in your notebook all these words with their meanings and the pronunciation along with the hiragana words, and the simple ones, the simple kanji ones which we already discussed in our previous kanji lessons. So those kanji symbols also you can note down in your notebook and regularly practice and go through them, see them in your notebook. In that way, very soon you will be able to remember the different body parts of the human body. So with that, we come to an end of today's lesson. We will see you again soon in the next video of this YouTube channel in any of the playlists. Till then, Mata Imasho.